From a black base coat, paint all of the barrel with Rune Lord brass, making sure to leave the black in the recess. Start the effect in about the middle of the barrel using Seraphim Sepia. Dot this over the areas because you want to use it as a wash, but you don't want it to set in the recesses. So just to make sure it's dappled on the metal areas, and you can always feather out the edges to give a smoother finish. Repeat this with Magos Purple further towards the end of the barrel, making the colours kind of fade from one into the other. And one way to do this is dapple on the undiluted contrast paint onto the barrel, and then using a clean brush with some water, as shown here, kind of to feather the edges into the previous colour. Complete the colour triad with Leviathan Blue contrast paint painted just at the end of the barrel. Now, unlike Magos Purple, this is quite a concentrated paint, so it is diluted down with contrast medium. It's not hugely noticeable here, but a small amount of undiluted contrast paint was used to finish the effect. And this is the finished result. If you like this tutorial, please feel free to check out the channel, and if you like the content that's there, you're more than welcome to subscribe to be kept up to date.